The F-35 is an American stealth fighter, but its production is multinational, with parts crossing continents before assembly in Texas. The Netherlands is partner nation of this fifth-generation warplane, producing crucial avionics and engine components, which the appeal court ordered to stop exporting to Israel in 2023, citing violations of international humanitarian law in Gaza.
The state must immediately stop its deliveries of F-35 parts to Israel. That is its obligation under Common Article 1 of the Geneva Conventions, the Genocide Treaty to Prevent Genocide, and under the export law. The position of the state that we can't confidently establish whether violations are taking place is a charade.
Israel is a key operator of F-35, which it has been using to bomb Gaza, as well as Lebanon, Syria, Qatar, Iran, and Yemen. It recently ordered 25 more F-35As, which would bring its total to 75. Last year, the Dutch government appealed the ban, citing NATO obligations. A ruling by Dutch Supreme Court on Friday will decide if it must be upheld. The decision could set a precedent for future arms exports involving conflict zones. Apart from the US and Netherlands, the UK, Australia, Canada, Italy, Denmark, Norway, Japan and Israel also supply key parts. The UK's High Court approved exports to Israel in June, despite protests, although the Defense Ministry denies direct shipments. Recent reports suggest Australia quietly shipped more than 60 loads of F-35 parts to Israel via commercial passenger flights in 2024 and 2025, sparking human rights concerns. The US remains Israel's largest conventional arms supplier, accounting for 69% of its imports, including entire F-35 squadrons and major components. Domestically, the Netherlands has seen intense protests throughout the 2025. Dutch NGOs warn that a court ruling in the Dutch government's favor will damage attempts to hold complicit governments accountable. Even if the ruling is upheld, it may only disrupt Israel's F-35 maintenance, but global production networks make implementation difficult, turning the fight into a complex game of enforcement and evasion. Abdulvehab Ejupi, TRT World.